lot of Sorry?
Is it Graham Street that you're looking for? Because you can ride down here and then turn right.
So,
What happened?
what happened?
No, not now.
You can imagine what happened. But I don't want to tell you. The only things I want now is a real support from my community. So even the third leg is gone. Now I start the real trouble, the real adventure. The bus is coming. So what happened is something really strange. I don't know if it's a miracle or not. So basically we had a lot of problems today. I didn't show you yet, but we had to deliver 3 boxes. We paid 470 Australian dollar. That's really a lot of money, considering we pay 800 New Zealand dollar the ticket to go to Sapporo together. Now is 4 o'clock, but many hours ago we sent to Japan 3 boxes. Then when we back to home we realized the allowance for this company is over 158 centimeter. You have to pay 1 kilo $20. But I don't know why this rule didn't work. This sounds like a miracle for us. Obviously we pay a lot of money because we have to wrap the bike. We have also to bring the bike till here, so we spend also other money. I want to say really thank you because I put a donation. I ask a donation if people want to support us on this project, and finally many people supported us. So thank you very much to everybody. Fagioli bianchi. Oh, last flight. Yeah, it's last one. Last one to go to Japan. After 2 years, I'm back to Japan. So now I have to go to ask about the bicycle on the train. はい、すみません。 電車に、自転車持ってくれることはできますか？箱に入ってます。
箱ってどんな箱ですか？
普通のスタンダードの箱なんです。
まあ一応大きさが決められてるんで、そのかなりすんごいどでかいってわけじゃない。
普通。
普通ぐらいとこんなもん。
First thing I bought in Japan. Now we are in the bus. So this here we pay 1,000 yen to get the bike on the bus. Bike is free, so it's really amazing. 1 hour bus, 1,000 yen. We arrived. Our bus was that one, and all our stuff is here. And now we have to build it up the bike. I hope everything will be fine. Some scratch here, some scratch here, some scratch here. What I'm worried is the frame. So let's go to open.
ちょっとで、これ